Remove mineral buildup on metal fixtures with a gentle, effective routine that avoids scratching. Start by identifying the metal type and finish, because polished chrome, brushed nickel, and brass take different approaches. When unsure, test on a hidden spot first. Mix equal parts white vinegar and warm water for most finishes. And for delicate lacquered or gilt finishes, use only a damp cloth with plain warm water. Soak a soft microfiber cloth in the vinegar solution. Wring until damp but not dripping, and lay it over the scaled area for 10 to 20 minutes to loosen deposits. Do not soak fixtures directly for long periods. After the soak, use the cloth to wipe using light circular motions, applying minimal pressure to lift residue without abrading the surface. Rinse thoroughly with clean water to remove any acid residue because lingering vinegar can dull finishes over time. Finally, dry completely with a fresh microfiber cloth and buff gently to restore shine, and for persistent spots, repeat the short soak rather than scraping or using abrasive pads. 3 common mistakes are scrubbing with scouring pads and steel wool, which cause irreversible scratches, so replace them with microfiber and use patience instead. Another issue is leaving acidic solutions on lacquered or plated finishes, which can strip coatings, so always test a hidden area and limit contact time. A third problem is skipping the final rinse and dry, which allows deposits or cleaning residues to remain and reharden, so always rinse with clear water and dry immediately. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and offers a discussion community where users exchange tips on projects like mineral removal. We help contractors find work by listing opportunities and allowing them to join conversations and build local reputation.